Hello everyone and welcome to another Clean With Me Saturday video. I actually filmed this video a while back, but I wasn't able to do the voiceover until today. So welcome to another Clean With Me Saturday. Today I'm cleaning part of my kitchen since the camera decided to die on me towards the end. So I'm just sharing with you a part of it. But yeah, let's get motivated and let's clean together. I don't know about you guys, but I really hate it when we have so much things on the island. And also, as you guys saw from the previous videos, we always have coins everywhere around the house. So you can see there I have some coins on the island there. But anyways, yeah, I try my best to always keep the island clean and have nothing on there, but I always end up having things there and having to take it away, you know, hashtag life. And here I didn't realize that my top is kind of open because of my bra, I guess. My top kind of opens up while I clean here, so I didn't want to, flash you guys and show you some, booby action. So that is why I'm using some blurring effect here. Yeah, but I'm just, doing the dishes, putting the dishes in the dishwasher, regular things. And this is why I don't mind doing like cleaning videos, because well, this is real life, but also my little helper is always like somewhere on the side of the screen. You can see her picking up somewhere. Yeah, this is what happens every day when I clean. My little helper is either cleaning with me or making a mess. But yeah, this is mom life, guys. And do you guys feel the same way when you clean after you finish the dishes and you just clean the sink area and everything and just have everything, nice and shiny? It's a very good feeling. It's very relieving to have everything clean around the sink and everything, just, have the sink empty and shiny. Yeah, I love that feeling. And once I'm done with the sink area, I just went ahead and moved towards the corner, washed the rice cooker. We had some, old rice in there that stinks. And then just clean the rest of the area, clean the rice cooker. I did clean the stove already. And then I'm gonna move on to the microwave and clean that too. Just tidying up the whole kitchen pretty much. And the video is already coming to an end here because my, like I said, my camera died. So I'm just cleaning the microwave and then moving on to the toaster. I also cleaned the whole fridge, mopped the floor, and I swept and mopped the floor, but you cannot see that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video, you guys. Don't forget to catch me up in my social media. If I'm not on YouTube, I'm always there. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you do like this type of videos. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next videos. Bye, guys. Kisses. Mwah.